click on Forms. Whereas questionnaires are targeted at applicants, forms are completed by the recruitment team, or can be used to collect information that aids the recruiter. On registration, a number of forms are set up, assigned to the top organizational unit, and shared. There are 4 types of forms: interview guides, scripts, assessments, and reference. Interview guides are designed to provide less experienced interviewers with guidance on how to prepare and structure an interview. To preview a form, click on its preview icon. Interview guides allow human resource professionals to define interview guidelines for the entire organization, or for a specific organizational unit to set its own interview requirements. Interview scripts are templates that provide a framework for conducting different types of interviews. For example, questions that are suitable to ask applicants in a telephone interview, and questions that are more suited for interviews that are conducted in person. Interview assessments are scored templates that are intended to be completed post-interview by the interviewers in order to assess each interviewee. Ideally, for each interview script, there will be a matching, scored interview assessment. Reference forms are questionnaires that are intended to be completed by each applicant's nominated referees. These can be tailored for the type of referee, such as former employer, academic, or personal. The reference form should be customized to request the exact information that the recruiter requires from each type of referee. Forms that are marked as shared are available to all organizational units. Forms that are not shared are available to the assigned organizational unit and its dependents. The recruiter should ensure that there is a customized script and assessment form for each interview format that is used. If multiple interview rounds are used, new scripts and assessment forms should be created so that questions that have been asked previously are not asked again, and that the assessments made are complementary to those made in previous rounds. Further templates are available from the form library by clicking on the Library Import option. To import library templates, click on the Templates checkbox and click on Import Selected, and then click OK. To exit the library, click on Exit. Imported forms can be customized. Forms that are imported are not shared. To share them, use the Edit icon. Set Shared to Yes. Click Save. OK. Before forms can be assigned to campaigns, they must be activated. A form can be set to active through the Edit when changing the shared status, or by clicking on the Activate icon. OK. Forms can be copied using the Copy icon. Once defined, forms can be integrated into the recruitment campaigns. HR Selector recommends recruiters adapt the system-provided forms, customizing the questions and setting the scoring to reflect the recruiter's own organization.